Good morning, fishermen. Sun's up. It's all good. It's going to get some fish, eh? Yeah, fishermen. Rightio, fishermen. Got a fish on. The line just stopped. I'm bright enough to know what it is. Give it a yank. Yonder, Papa, I'll let you go. I know they're in here. They move around, eh? Other times they can be all on, then all of a sudden it just stops. And someone will pick up a big brown within 3 or 4 minutes. And the rainbows will come back on again. Had that happen at Awaho heaps and Hamarana. Oh, there we go, another stunning fish. 2.5, 3 pounds. Yeah, we've got a can of itself. Where you go?